How tidal energy is generated using chemistry. Tidal energy is a type of renewable energy that is generated from the natural movement of water bodies like oceans, seas, and even tidal rivers. This energy can be harnessed by using different types of technologies, and one of the ways to generate tidal energy is through the use of chemistry. In this article, we will discuss how tidal energy is generated using chemistry and the different chemical reactions involved in this process. Tidal energy is a predictable and consistent source of renewable energy that can be used to generate electricity while also being environmentally sustainable. With the help of chemistry, the energy from tides can be harnessed in a way that is both efficient and cost-effective. In this method of harnessing tidal energy, chemical reactions are utilized to convert the kinetic energy of the tides into electrical energy, which can be used to power homes and industries. The chemistry behind this process is very complex and involves different chemical reactions that work together to generate electricity. The process starts with the trapping of tidal water into a reservoir or a basin, which is then released into a turbine system when the tides are low. As the water enters the turbine, it causes the blades to rotate, which in turn generate electrical energy. The mechanical energy produced by the rotating blades is converted into electrical energy with the help of electromagnetic induction. The electricity is then sent to a power station, where it is distributed. One of the chemical reactions involved in the generation of tidal energy is electrolysis. Electrolysis involves the use of a solution containing ions that conducts electricity. When this solution is connected to an external voltage source, the ions within the solution undergo a chemical reaction that results in the separation of the elements from the solution. This chemical reaction is used to generate hydrogen gas, which can be used to produce electricity. Another chemical reaction that is commonly used in the generation of tidal energy is the fuel cell reaction. Fuel cells are devices that convert chemical energy into electrical energy. In this process, a fuel cell reaction takes place, where the fuel cell catalysts break down the hydrogen and oxygen in the water, releasing electrons which generate electrical energy. This reaction is used to produce electricity from the hydrogen gas produced from the electrolysis of the tidal water. The chemical reactions involved in the generation of tidal energy are not limited to electrolysis and fuel cells. Other chemical reactions like the hydrogen-bromine flow battery, which is a type of rechargeable battery technology, can also be used to generate electricity from the tides. In this type of battery, hydrogen and bromine are used as reactants, which produce electrical energy through a chemical reaction. The use of chemistry in the generation of tidal energy has several advantages. One of the main advantages is that chemical reactions can be controlled and monitored, which ensures that the energy generated is consistent and reliable. Additionally, using chemistry allows for the use of different types of reactants in the generation of tidal energy, which increases the flexibility of the process. The use of chemistry in the generation of tidal energy is also much more environmentally friendly than other methods. This makes the process a more sustainable and environmentally friendly way to generate electricity. Another benefit of generating tidal energy using chemistry is that it is much more efficient than other methods. The process of electrolysis, for example, can convert up to 80% of the energy in the tidal water into electrical energy. This makes the process of generating tidal energy much more efficient than other forms of renewable energy, like wind and solar. Despite its many benefits, the generation of